What's going on, everyone? I want to show you something super cool today. And some of you probably know this, but some of you probably don't. But what I'm going to show you how to do is set up a GPT that can be used as a lead magnet. And what I mean by that is you're going to be able to collect emails from, someone using your GPT if they sign up for anything. For my example, what I did was I did a complex GPT course sign up. I figured since, if people are going to learn how to create complex GPTs, what they're going to want to do, they're not going to want to go to a website and sign up like everyone else does for like a free course or whatever, going the basic way. So what I decided to do was make a complex GPT course sign up within a GPT. So the way this works is, I'll show you real quick. Let me move myself over. The way this works is this is only used for a lead magnet to get people who want to sign up for the course to collect their email, and then it just sends it over to a database. So, we have in here, sign me up for the free GPT course. What will I learn in the course? So pretty much I'm just going to start it out by saying, sign me up for the free GPT course. And we'll go into, so what it comes back and says, and this is what I set up. It says, fantastic, you're about to embark on a fascinating journey learning how to create complex GPTs with API calls and external actions, all taught by Chris Porter, me. This free course is a unique opportunity to gain hands-on experience and enhance your technical skills designed to accommodate learners at all levels. Okay, so then it says, to get started, I'll just need your email address, because the way I have this set up is, if they want to learn and get the free course, they have to sign up through email, and then the course sends directly to your email account that you signed up with. So what I'm going to do here, and this is an example of using an outside action with a custom GPT. I'm just going to do my business email. And what you're going to see here is after I submitted my email, it's going to start an action. We're going to allow that action. And what it did is it says, thank you for signing up. Your email has been successfully registered. You will soon receive an email with the course details and how to access it. Chris Porter and the team are thrilled to have you on board and look forward to helping you explore the vast possibilities with GPTs. So the cool thing about this is you can also talk to this and say, hey, what is in the course, right? And then it just goes into, details of what you're going to learn in the course about GPTs, their capabilities, API calls, and GPTs. Pretty much I teach people, exactly how to set up an outside action on which I just did. So without going into detail with the course, if you want to check out the free course, I do have this complex GPT course sign up directly on my Facebook account. So you can go there. This is only for GPT Plus subscribers because you will not be able to use, GPT 3.5 to actually even access the sign up. You can get the link where I have an hour-long video of me setting up this exact setup with the lead magnet. So thank you everyone for watching. Just to keep it super short, I appreciate everyone's feedback and have a good one.